गाइस जैसे कि मैंने फाइनली दिखा दिया. Are you ready? Are you excited to show your things?
फाइनली मैं चप्पल में ही हूँ हमारी. And that's my brother. He had been curiously waiting. And so how are you feeling?
Good. After a long time,
After
waiting
so
for
long.
2 months for this one.
Yeah, basically.
Finally, I received my cargo.
Finally the cargo is here. Yay! I think that's the big one.
ID 100%. Other person.
मेरो आधा दिनुपर्छ नि. This is the cargo which was being sent by brother from UAE, but ये आने में बहुत देर हो गया था because of the पूजा vacation. Calcutta का center में it had got stuck, but finally it's here. We're gonna do the unpacking thing. So we are doubtful कि इसका सामान सही सलामत है या नहीं. It's finally here. Unboxing of cargo is going on. Second layer, third layer. Yeah, it smells so good. Foreign boy. Colgate देगा. This is mother's walnut. Oh, this is my favorite.
Good.
Finally. Toblerone is there. Yes.
कुत्ते साल के बड़ा चार्ज वाला था
The talking cactus.
चार्ज मार लो हेलो
Yangchen. Looks terrible.
अरे राम लो राहुल जी के साथ
Coffee.
अरे ये वाला तो के पनि हुँदैन पुरा मजाले प्याकिङ गरिन्छ नि उनीहरूले त्यो माथि त्यो फर्म भएर त्यही भएर राम्रो लाग्छ नि
These are dry fruits.
एभोकाडो हजुर
Dry peach. So, पता नहीं ये किसका है, but it looks cute. These are Diwali candles. पता नहीं candles क्यों लेके आए हैं.
तिम्रो के भयो फेरि भएर पो
ये cute सा sleeper in a bag. Lifestyle is a brand under a landmark. That's why he has got this as well. Wow. Hey ho, Yangchen का best friend. Best friend. ये रहा Yangchen. नानी हेलो भनिदिनुस्. हेलो भन्न. हेलो.
पर्मेन आए
आइज भन्नुहोस् न आइज भन्नुहोस् न आइज भन्नुहोस् न उता उता भन्नुहोस् न
गुडिया लाइज भन्
I'm joking!